Yeah, joy, you're cool. We name again, Santa Boys. We don't fear, we just do. We make us in the near. No personal, in the near. Can't vibe about. Joe to an emenda. Hey, can't vibe about. Joe to an emenda. Joe, get him a foot. Nigga for fuck. Santa Boys, so we got this to be bold. Nigga my god, selling the soul. I cheer with them, I mean, I be cool. Hey, hey, never sorry. Hey, never sorry. Got in my pockets and good in my bones. Hey, on the road coming, you found back home, man, we coming. Don't do trust, I'm killing your dummies. Who do me find this that take up? Yeah, I'm on God, pushing the grave for my dogs. Standing in the mob, but if you got luck, y'all know what's hot anymore. There's a chance here, these boys coming on, so I down for them at the land. God bless in another land. This tax, this tax, I got for at the land. 1, 2, 3. Hey, hey, yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, yeah, on a mission for, hey, what's up? Hey, 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 yeah, where come, where sauce, no channel, my stuff, make it pause till we fall, make it pause till we fall, when I come, with a sauce, no channel, my stuff, let's 1, not 2, let me 1, 2, 3, yeah, that's it, let's just do it, cause we draw a cause. We just wanna keep it, we don't wanna trouble. Amuna ya, kaya dana soya. Let's it, we just have custom. We just wanna keep it, we don't wanna trouble. Amuna ya, kaya dana soya. Simple Joe, my brother, move to the top 300. Hey, we ain't got no day. Like I said, got it big on island. All night long. Yeah. Bicycle, pulling in the bass on jack. Mommy from me, I don't think. Cause I can't, plus I'm digger. Yeah, my team. We look at the gang, we pull it with tickets. When they boy and close, step on my drill. Bicycle, pulling in the bass on jack, we did it. Mommy from me, I don't think. Cause I can't, plus I'm digger. Yeah, my team. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, hey. We just wanna keep it, we don't wanna talk it. We just wanna keep it, we don't wanna talk it. It go on rough. Street in Achama get to the people that you since you said you know about home money cost because what you marry. Your friend was cost to a Christian, I just follow for for Blanco to test here. We pray for attention from which artists we know one of to get media. We've been doing this place for a while. Was I come around by a fire? You want to party a brush of a foul. First I was supporting me money how. So do we ask my letter one? I saw much of it sour. At I'm not better with 1, 2, 3, let's go. Inside, outside, of course. Push me up, post, move out on my to a tussle. Do the household, to get in the money. What you want to have a drama in the camera? The book of fire, across the jaw, across. We just wanna keep it, we don't wanna trouble. Amuna ya, kaya dana soya sopo ya. Across the jaw, across. We just wanna, we don't wanna trouble. Amuna ya, kaya dana soya sopo. Bema missing in the crowd, but I'm a jolly roll. See I'm one thing, I'm a check it, but I'm lost me will grow. Inside, outside, one side, one side. Inside, outside, one side, one side. Bema missing in the crowd, but I'm a jolly roll. See I'm one thing, I'm a check it, but I'm lost me will grow. Inside, outside, one side, one side. Inside, outside, one side, one side. Appreciate your blessing, my people. America for love.
From reality shows to crime alert to movies, hit shows, news, a lot of news, talk shows. He's got it all. TV3. That's the news. That's the entertainment. We love turning out great events, but guess what? We love you more. So in the wake of COVID-19 outbreak, put safety first and follow me. Handle your rights. Watching people in the social is really cool.
Powered by Chaka House, celebrating 20 years of creative magic.
Vgma 21. Music first. This August, the spotlight is back on our culture. Our music, our artists.
Flex Awards presented at 2 exclusive events on Friday 28th and Saturday 29th August at 8 p.m. each night.
Featuring a galaxy of stars, BL. Strong man, self-esteem don't go up,
Coffee Money, and many more.
Don't miss the Vgma Live on TV3, Sound City TV, The Best TV, Rock Gun on DSTV, and streamed on MTV Base and Government Award pages.
The Butterfly Music Award, produced by the Charterhouse with support from TV3, DSTV, KPMG, Star City TV, Media Partners, and brought to you by Vodafone. The future's exciting.
Give it up one more time for the Pope Master, Ralph Cuckoo. I said it right.
Yeah, this is the Pope. No, Pope. Yeah, so it's supposed to be a replay effect. Yeah, effect that probably can take it back to 2019.
Okay, no, I actually want to go back to 2019.
Yeah, 2019, so we can really sense it here and get it right.
You know what I'm saying? Put your hands together and then just celebrate for me. If you're just joining us from home, from work, or wherever it is that you're watching us, welcome to the 21st Vodafone Economies Awards. We'd like to say a big thank you to our lead sponsor, Vodafone. Enjoy real 4G on Ghana's only gigabyte network. We thank you so much.
And Vodafone, real 4G gigabits. Now we will. We're trying to minimize human contact tonight as clean as possible. So please, when you're mentioned as an award winner, please come up this way. We have the awards waiting for you. You pick it off the platform and then give a short speech to say thanks to your people. Is that okay? And if we invite you to come up here, please you do so this way, and then also walk up this way and you do the way up the right. Is that very simple to do? Come on, I think you want to get a round of applause, please.
I think it's now time that we can present the award. I think it's not like the award presentation to happen. So you're welcome. Which award are we starting with first?
What? We want to start off with the traditional artist of the year. The traditional artist of the year, and to do so, we humbly want to invite the Vgma board chairman, one Legs. Yeah, the song. Well, better. Please, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Amanda.
Do it better than ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is a category that is bestowed on people who stand out, outshine everybody in the traditional book. So the best, I'm here to present the award for the best traditional book. Ladies and gentlemen, without much ado, wow. First up, cultural group.
Oh, come on, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for that, give it up for that.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank God Almighty for this award and all musicians in the vineyard. I would like to thank all Gamashis and all Ghanaians for supporting me. Thank you very much.
Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our winners for the traditional musical video. All right, this is the next one.
Moving on swiftly, we would like to invite Australian Farmer to present instrumentalist, the award-winning instrumentalist of the year. Put your hands together for Australian Farmer.
So, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for them.
Music Awards. Music first. Instrumentals will be here. Joshua, Missy, guitars, drummer, Stevie, sax, vocals, sax, Mr. Autry, sax, performance, bassist.
And the award goes to Emmanuel Bludo.
Put your hands together.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Medikal. Let's start. Congratulations to you.
Thank you very much. I would like to thank God Almighty for this award, thank my family for the support, and the organizers of this award as well. God bless you.
Amen. And it's one of the finest instrumentalists we have in the world today. Take that from us. In the world. Oh, yeah. Come on, I think they all deserve a louder applause. Please, do it better for them.
As you can see, the COVID has made the Ghana Music Awards a little different this year. But you know it's not going to dampen our spirits.
Oh, yeah.
We're still in the spirit of honoring great musicians, great Ghanaian musicians that are putting us on the world map. So congratulations to the winners.
That's right. Oh, we have 3 major performances happening in a bit. We have Francisca Gawuga, and Brad Edward Kofi Ajiman Amwa, and Emmanuel Atupamina Amuno.
I'm a little
Yeah.
confused. Who are these musicians?
These are more like names that sound like politicians. But when I mention their AKAs, I'm sure you know them better. Francisca Gawuga. That's it. Yeah. And then we have up next, right ahead, Kofi Mole and Pamela and Pig.
Put your hands together! What's
Nobody
The VGMA's 21 online trends are powered by AmealDeborahTV.com, GHQuaku, ZionFelix.com, CourseGhana.com, Ronnie is Everywhere, Nkonkonsa, GhanaMusic.com, Cypress GH, Ghana Web, and BNFT.
Oh, come on, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for our performance tonight. Come on, they deserve better from you, man. Let's do this for them. Thank you. So, can you enjoy yourself? Back there, I saw you all sweating and you're like, oh, your money give way. Make way, here I come. Hello, Queen. Talk to us. Did you enjoy that?
I really enjoyed that. That was very charging. I'm feeling the spirit right now.
Anyway, so a reminder that you're still watching us live from the various homes, live from the Grand Arena here in Accra, to the rest of the world via DSTV on all the other platforms, and of course GoTV as well, and on TV3 here in Ghana. And we want to say big thanks to Vodafone for making this possible. I think they deserve a round of applause. Come on, where's the Red family? Join me here. Let's give it up for them. Vodafone, we say thank you.
That's right. We also thank the supporting companies, KPMG, Media General. This event been produced by Charterhouse, and today is also been produced by Charterhouse. They do a fantastic job with the VGMAs, and proudly brought to you by Vodafone.
All right, so we're going to go on to the next category. We have the Best Male Vocalist, and this is one that I'm sure I know who's going to win.
Who?
Yeah, for next year. I mean, next year. I know the winner for next year.
Who?
For this year, we have AJ Sapon to do the presentation for us. A round of applause for radio presenter, TV host AJ Sapon. Don't be jealous. Please show some love. Show some love. You'll not die.
Please do it better for AJ Sapon, looking absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
Good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, both in the auditorium and watching us.
The 21st Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Music first. Male Vocalist of the Year. Show Metal. Mio Yesu. Kiddy. For better, for worse. Music. Hallelujah.
And it gives me great pleasure to announce the male vocalist of the year, MOG Music.
Wow! A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our winner, Best Male Vocalist of the Year, MOG.
Thank you, God, for this. I want to thank everybody who has believed in me from day one. Thank you to my spiritual father, the Apostle General Reverend Sarkodie and his wife, to Royal House Sarkodie BMG service, and to my team. Listen, I'm lost for words. I don't know what to say, but it's the doing of God and it's marvelous in my eyes. Thank you very much.
Amen.
Congratulations, MOG, for winning that award. Would like to invite the Gifty Osei to present Best Female Vocalist of the Year. It's still Gifty Osei, right?
Well, Empress Adoya, you can play in those leagues.
We can play in
Yeah.
those leagues. Put your hands together as she makes her way to the stage to present the fiercely contested Female Vocalist of the Year.
The 21st Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Music first. Female Vocalist of the Year, Adina Sika. Becca, Yes I Do.
Yes, I do.
Celestine Donko, Agbabolo. Effie Grace, King of Glory. Effia Sarah. Lamisi, Omi.
Good evening, Ghana. I'm here to present the Female Vocalist of the Year. It goes to Celestine Donko!
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a wave for the Polo Kuna. Congratulations to you, Celestine Donko. Come on, give it up for her.
Wow. I guess I finally get the Vgma's picking award experience for the first time. Well, it's not easy because when my name was called, my heart was like boom, boom, boom. I'm grateful to God. So many times I've sat there and experienced people picking the awards. All I'll say tonight is that there is time for everyone. Keep pushing, keep doing the hard work. And one day you would also sing, I never knew you paid for me this way. Thank you.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Celestine and the husband and manager as well. Yeah. She started the song. I was going to continue for her, but you know, looking at the times we're in.
I wanted to continue as well.
Short
Should we do a little duet?
No, not on Acapella. Don't you ruin the song. She just picked an award. She cannot do this. Let's move on to the Songwriter of the Year. Now, this category is very keenly contested. We must say that, well, we'll be shocked. Yeah, I think we'll be shocked by who will win it. Yeah, because
I'm also excited.
they've always said.
That's right. I'm also excited by who is actually presenting the award. She is somebody that I've looked up to, that I've loved for the longest time. She's a legend in the music industry. Ladies and gentlemen, do it better for the Akosia Ejapon.
The 21st Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Music first. Songwriter of the Year. Bra, you promise. Oh me, let me see. Sandra, Akabwa. Things fall apart. Kofi Kinata. Pastor Diana Hamilton. Bahala Day episode.
Evening, beautiful people, and the winner is, guess what? KK, Kofi Kenyatta.
Congratulations go out to you, Martin King Arthur, Kofi. If you have my team move. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
That was short and sweet.
Kofi King Arthur.
That's right, short and sweet and straight to the point.
That's right. You're looking amazing, by the way. Just shake it down.
Giovanni.
Papa, please.
I'm just joking.
Leave me here.
I'm just joking. This beautiful creation I'm wearing today is by the one and only, the really beautiful and amazing designer, Yartel. My makeup was by Reggie's Makeover. My hair was by Anissa. And these nice heels I'm wearing today are from Shoe Zone. So thank you so much for all the work.
So your hair, your looks, everything. Which one did you come with? Which one? If they come to take their things, how are you going back home? You have a backup dress or something?
Giovanni, for you.
Man.
But you look nice too.
Yeah,
You look very black.
Thank you very much. I was hoping for you to say that. So I came in doing so. You know, when it's lights off, I'm there, lights on, I'm there. But this is more like a hybrid, you know, inspired by one of the greatest musicians ever. Yeah, Danny Lumba. Come on, a round of applause, please. Danny Lumba. And also by the late pop king, you know, Michael Jackson. A lot of people say I dance like him, so...
Do you guys want to see Giovanni dance like Michael Jackson?
No, they said no. Thank you. So this is by Big Lomo Couture. Big Lomo Couture. Thank you so much. And also to Legend Bespoke for my gigs. Yeah.
You're looking very
good
tonight.
With this I can walk into 2021. All right, can we do this?
Now we're going to have a video in memory of those that we have lost. We want to pay our respect and we want to honor them even as they are gone.
And we say, may the soul of the departed forever rest in peace.
That's right, gone but not forgotten.
All right, we have another performance that I'm sure a lot of you are expecting. Now, I think since the Vgma started this particular part of the award scheme, a lot of young talents have been given the opportunity to shine on the big night. And today, we're excited to bring forth to the stage our winner for the 21st VGMA and Sun category. Please give it up for Teflon Flex.
The VGMA 21, beamed worldwide by our broadcast partners, TV3, Rock GH, Sound City on DSTV, Joy Prime, DGN, TV7, EBN, CTV, and GH1 TV. The VGMA 21, music first.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Teflon once again. Yeah. Right? Okay. That's what you do, you know, when you're very young and coming up. You know, we are just young. One of my fans, you know, can you see me? Yeah, it's very ambitious. You should start music too.
I don't think so. I don't think I can do that. I don't think I have any fans.
How about producing one?
I don't think so.
Okay. Then listen, let's actually very nice for sending at all. I mean, you don't have.
Then please take it away.
Okay, please. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the record of the year. The record of the year coming right up. And we want to invite, Andy Dusty, an accomplished radio DJ and presenter, to help us upstage right now to do the presentation for us.
Please put your hands together for Andy Dusty.
The 21st Beautiful Ghana Music Awards. Music first. Record of the year. Akakemoko. Trigmatic. Lematasa. Walk of Ages. Perez Music. Bongatanga. Achama Kwame.
All right, please give it up for Andy Dorsey once again. Give it up for Andy Dorsey. It is very important for us to note that the winner for this Record of the Year category automatically qualifies the engineer who worked on the project to win the Engineer of the Year. So this is a 2-in-1 category. I think a louder round of applause we do, please.
Good evening, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Record of the Year, my brother, Vgma.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the Rock Doctor!
Thank you guys. Thank you to for talent and mercy. And I'd like to say a very big thank you to Dan Grau, but he has his award already. So this award is dedicated to every musician that played on this record. For Sarkodie on the horns, Dan Grau on bass, and everybody that played on it. But the main award is dedicated to every girl in the northern region who has been lured down here by a trickster with a promise to get a better life. Boligatanga girl, stay at home. God bless all of you. Thank you.
A round of applause and congrats to you, Vgma.
Producer, the sound engineer of the year is also the winner, or is the recipient of this award. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dan Grau.
You've taken the one away. You took two away.
All right, congrats to Don and of course Vgma. Vgma took both awards for himself and the producer.
Rock Doctor.
I like that.
Rock Doctor. So we'd also like to go ahead and present the next category. We'd like to invite Jay Foley to present the best group of the year.
The 21st Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Music First. Best Music Video of the Year. Chilling. Singer Song. Director by Jim Abu. Akbabolo. Celestine Dog. Featuring Shrabagideon. Directed by Abbas. Bye Bye, RJC. Directed by Henry Akron. Enoi, EL, featuring Falls and Joey. Directed by Yao Skyface. Trip, Medikal, featuring Kofi Woli and Joy B. Directed by Yao Skyface. La Familia, Joy B, featuring Visiaba. And Sarkodie, directed by Bob's Direction. Yes I Do, Becca, featuring Timo Savage. Directed by Ajep Inwards. Totori Zita, featuring Fancy Gaga. Directed by Bob's Direction. Bahala Day, episode, directed by Smith's Films.
So ladies and gentlemen, correction, best video of the year presented by Jay Foley.
Well, they have managed to put lovely visuals to the music to give a better and clear understanding. And tonight, best video of the year, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Killing Me by Sina Soul.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Sina Soul.
Well, on the behalf of Universal Group West Africa, we'd like to say thank you to everybody who supported Sina Soul. Thank you very much.
Doing better for Sina Soul.
Yeah.
Giovanni, I actually have such a great attachment to that song. It's a very beautiful song.
What does it say?
It talks about domestic violence and the fact that we need to stand against domestic violence. And not just man on female violence, but female on man violence as well. But I'm also very proud of the people who actually put that video together as a young, talented group from the creative team. So congratulations.
I think they deserve another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for them. Don't get tired of clapping. Yes, and always keep your masks on unless you're sipping on a drink or, yeah, just keep it on. Next, we want to recognize the efforts of the best group. Yes, the best group. And to help us do the honors, we have one man who is like a mentor to a lot of the young broadcasters in Ghana and Africa as a whole. And he's currently the CEO of one of the budding media houses in Africa, EIB Network, my former boss. Bola Ray, round of applause for him, please. Oh, come on, round of applause for Bola Ray.
The 21st Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Music First. Best Group of the Year. Bethel Revival Choir. Dog Nation. Wamba. Flamenca.
Well, thank you very much. Good evening, Ghana. Pleasure to be here. And of course, to present the award for Best Group of the Year. Like we say, Music Fest. Well, it goes to Dope Nation, Best Group of the Year.
Let's go.
Thank God, Charlie. Yeah man, yeah man. This is for mom. This is for Vgma. This is for EL. This is for Links Anything. Stop Nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for them, man. They came through looking like daylight and nighttime. That's what twins do, man. They deserve another round of applause. Please give it up for them, man. Right? Okay, we have two performances coming up right now, yeah. And I'm going to say that join the conversation online. We are also on GhanaMusicAwards.com and live on TV3, GH1 TV, on multimedia channels as well, and of course DSTV and GoTV. So I want to say, coming up is, okay, right. We have Eno Baroni and Strongman, a proud American. A round of applause for that, ladies and gentlemen.
Later, 50 years in the industry, looking down on us for the rich and we are from the streets.
I see how we make the hustle look beautiful. Man, that bees are claiming they are from the streets. Or you know me say go like free English on Twitter. But in real life, you don't get sense when you're correct. Yes, sir. Tell them rich people with back songs as A-list artists. And the poor man can join the alphabetic order. And they said silence is golden. Well, I've been silent for many years. Tell me how many cards we got. Shout outs to the pain that gave us sense. How we go feel prosper when the whole industry be by us. And nothing I'm not sure what happened to me yet. 5 years as a queen of the end to me yet. You didn't try to put a gap between us, but I bridged it. So get me send your price there and don't end up in it to me yet. Check it. Everybody says the queen is back, but nobody got the guts to whoop my ass. This industry has kept me for so long, so now I don't need that. It's real long. People listen to my flow and they say, girl, you got crazy. Yeah, man, I'm a company. I can't afford to be lazy. I've done whatever I have to do just to become this lady. Believe me when I tell you that my life has no baby. I keep working hard and you know it's just getting bad. No recognition and I'm still getting fat. One day I knew you took my power. Here we take my dad. Rest in peace, mama. She told me to follow my heart. Say, if I don't get all I can carry myself all I have to do me grab myself. Yeah, till you that she's solar. I know the other part of the Honda watch every yola. Who's from now what's in the day? I don't see a win that. Well, I've never been a place and they will feature me. It's just a trap. Come on, you know the battle. Obviously, can't catch them in hotel. But I became so girl, so I understand the hustle. Right now, I'm living on the little way I get. Please, people, I get money I get. So many things I don't wish they I get. It's even down with that, there's no problem in your leg. I'm breaking all the barriers with one food pot. All I've been getting here, my relatives in the shot. The money so bad, we see me the temporary court. Now I'm very sure I was still in my frock. Now we're doing coming to the night, so I'm broke. Now I'm coming to kind out in my room. I'm running out of time, so I'm lost and I'm broke. Whatever, all the people pretending like you don't know that I am the best. You smell what she knows. Your money says you call them my virginity, you can hear me so you rap, and then you compare her to angel. But until the last day, I will remain the crown. So if you call yourself the queen, then I am sitting on your head. Somebody tell that old queen, so it's down here all day. If she wanna be okay, she follow my blueprint. Yeah, I possess the mind that rules them all. 32 bars and I brought down the Jericho wall. They crawl, I walk, they jump, I fly, they back, I rock. They think it's just a second fight, that's where we are war. Cause my cousin is stupid. Me, I don't get time for some Ghanaian raptures who so believe in themselves. They're thinking that they're so sick. When kids say you can bring me down, why can't you say, oh, punch more, I see toothpaste. It's only one time. Nicki Minaj is so happy and so lucky. I was born as a American. African hot pop, the one of this Louis Jim. She's so scared, I'm the sign of her anti. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. Cause I'm the first woman to fight for the dead man. They see my name, they praise her with their right hand. Pop, Vgma, what the army, I know set. You see yourself catching on, that's your dream though. Dream big, yes it's free, yeah, dream on. But to me, you are just chasing a mirage. The time you will notice, oh my God, it's just a deja vu. And I'm here story over there, the same fool. You will realize that difference between me and you. There are truth are there, and speak the truth. My name is truth, they call me Anna. Ghana, what's up? Let's do this. Alright. One, forget about making sure you broke. Minimum the book promotes these. Yeah, cut it slow. This one can't say I see us grow. She say you're the young guy. Yeah, she remember to for you're the young guy. Cover the covers, you can check and tap. Call IG. Back to money matter. And yes, you can hear from the prevailing pressure. I will force you to play nonsense. Now we everywhere we they spend money on my side. I can use common sense. Oh, now I can't expect me around. You are back here, yes, we have a lot of fear. Yeah, this was you. Me prepo, me radical, you know me. Some of you say, "Who baby?" You're finding me 50 Ghana, come and let prepo. Hello, how far? I'm Johnny Aqua. Hello, how far? 1, 2, 3, I give my dog. Hello, how far? I'm Johnny Aqua. Hello, how far? 1, 2, 3. I give nice boys stuff you ain't wrong. Yes. We are check her and hits there say. Real homies show the fake near say. We must go to the club feel rich where say. I agree. Me who wanna my child so get you wanna my team. What can say come say I say yeah. You know, if you wanna be now here cool and I'm a show. But you wanna child to the beef with you. I the toy in the blue. And come back to the other down and shit blue. I said you must be the zoomie who want my slow. See I don't have come. Go with the flow. And I'm rapping over for them to do. Say I'm not fooling as I got to go. Chilling back in to me before. That's why you ever do until I before. Hello, how far? I'm a Charlie Alpha. Hello, how far? 1, 2, 3, I give it done. Hello, how far? I'm a Charlie Alpha. Hello, how far? 1, 2, 3, I give it done. Hey, hey, bad doctor, never take a patient, number one, they are constant private quotient. Then another rapper, cut their breakers, and the punch here, all we can, it's just many of them, we could have made a woman and never over Russia, but not over that. Yo, what's your name? The CRG for me, and Thomas Yato. I'm slowly a second, as your phone. Send them a yes, you are brave, because I'm Mr. Suman show for the watch, yeah, but you try and lose your never title, man. I think it's going to be a title, man. You just have to you be guys for that. But we can't go about that, guy. It's just to me where I want to. For me and your dancer, me and I can't be there out of here. The show the match of the guests. If you know how to watch out there, so Mafia, most of them are so. If you see the way I am so hard of China too. So let me take care what is on shot. China make way, they come past, and also one of the things I'm trying here to get on the show. I'm on the leave for I never rest it. Bass and I'm going to waste it. Charlie, I just can't let the man and I go to the suit here, waste it. Try to support the water. Let's come to a road break up and tells you everybody would be a rapper. And before you be like, when you need rocket, go to a truck, see what's here. You know what I said before, who's there, who's here. Put in your bag and put your out here. Whatever you want to match, that's okay. Watch their migration, see me cold here. You don't need to be cold here. But come around, when it was cold here. Mom lost rap and this year, you're cold here. So why for my cup? You know where my cup. Tell your guys to better shut them. Get an eye on the other way, my popcorn. I'm ready people, ready people. Now say, hey, yeah. Now what's your hey, and if I come back out here, yes. I don't want to laugh in tears. Tell me what you do, I want to impress your wife. She might come and make you never let down. Hey, I've been searching for true love, never let down. What's it hey, I'm gonna be hold up. Send me here, I'm ready to show. Hey, you go to the sky, you're blow up. Now what's your yeah, nobody wants somebody like you. Hey, two. I give you my love, you ain't got to boom. If you don't love me, baby, say 3, 2, 1. See my love, you know me. Be low, if I never let yeah. See my love, you know me. Be down, you should have I see my love, you know me. Be low, if I never let yeah. See my love, you know me. Be down, you should have okay, let's see, I play for you all the time. My love for you know they hide. I wish we never had a fight. Cause I see tears in my eyes. All I think in life is just you. I give you my heart, you make a temple. As we start and baby, we're cool. If you know they like, you make a day cool. So tell me where the guy wrong you. I even got my mind wrong you. I can even bet money on you. Why you know the things say your money like you. But we see a pump on that last thing. What's that being and walk us on the time? Let me see that the I never last day. But she will be from Roxy and everyone. Be low, why should I not? Let me so much. I love you, my love is so deep. Be down, you should have done a little. See my love is so deep. Be low, if I never take it there. See my love is so deep. Be down, you should have done a little.
rocks my image of mama. She dropped it like it's hot. She's definitely been on a roll this year. She's been doing some amazing things, and so has Strong Man. If you're just tuning in, my name is Sika Hussain. You're watching the 21st Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Thank you to our lead sponsor, Vodafone. You are live, or you're watching it live on www.GhanaAwardsMusicAwards.com, and we're live on TV3 as well as DSTV channels. So thank you so much for tuning in. Now, to present the next batch of awards, we would like to invite Mr. Rex Omar to present the producer of the year. Please put your hands together for him.
The 21st Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Music First. Producer of the Year. Guilty Beat. Tubas. Uncle Beat. Willis Beat. Hamilton Beat.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The producer of the year is MOG.
Do it better for MOG. As he comes up to take the producer of the year award.
Good evening. Taking this on behalf of MOG Music. Keep supporting the movement. MOG, baby.
MOG, put your hands together for him, ladies and gentlemen. Producer of the year. And now we move on swiftly to present the award for Best International Collabo. We have Phyllis and Vesta Boyson and Frida Moll, who is the winner and first runner-up of Miss Malaika Ghana. Please put your hands together for them.
The 21st Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Music First. Best International Collaboration. Cinderella. Kiddy featuring Medikal and Vgma. Lucky. Sarkodie featuring Rude Boy. Father. Medikal featuring Davido. Sugar Daddy. Kiddy featuring Mr. Easy. Yes, I do. Becca featuring Timo Savage. Nobody. Wesiaba featuring Mr. Easy. Total Remix. Adam featuring Davido. Pillow Guilty Beat featuring Mr. Easy and Wesiaba.
It's a pleasure to be among such beautiful people tonight, and even an honor to be presenting the award for Best International Collaboration of the Year. And the winner is no other person than Sarkodie featuring Rude Boy.
Sarkodie and Rude Boy take the award for Best International Collabo.
Good evening. So, on behalf of Sarkodie, on behalf of Success, Sac Nation, we accept this award. Big shouts to Rude Boy, who did magic on the song, and MOG, who also produced. Thank you all for the award. Keep supporting the movement.
Put your hands together, Sarkodie, taking that award. Now moving on swiftly to present the African Artist of the Year. Please make welcome legal practitioner, Miss Cynthia Kwaku. Put your hands together for her.
The 21st Vodafone Ghana Music Awards. Music First. African Artist of the Year. Burna Boy. Telly. Big Trail. Mercy Chinwo, Rude Boy, Shoma Josie, Davido.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm humbled to be here to present the award for the African Artist of the Year. And the winner is Burna Boy.
Burna Boy wins it 2 years in a row. I love it. Short and sweet and straight to the point. Burna Boy, Artist of the Year, 2 years in a row. The thrills continue here. Of the year. It's going to be fantastic, so you definitely want to tune in. If you're watching from globally, from outside of Africa, we say Akwaba, we say thank you so much for joining us at the Vodafone Ghana Music Awards, where we're honoring and celebrating the best when it comes to music that Ghana has to offer. I'd like to say that even regardless of COVID, we definitely need to applaud our creatives and our musicians. They've been forging on, giving us hits. Their creativity hasn't been dampened, and that is a testament to the resilience of the Ghanaian music industry and of the Ghanaian music people, of the Ghanaian people as a whole. We're going to go for a quick commercial break, but make sure you come right back to the VGMAs, the 21st edition.
Hello, US. I'm feeling very frustrated in a void. It's simple like I'm very happy. If you understand, don't worry, for myself, you understand. In this addition, Vodafone Ghana has now made it possible to send money from Vodafone country all network free with the home. You cross over to our senior reporter for more details.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm standing in front downtown. You know, everybody to make upload. I was funny and he said, Vodafone, I'm going to say, would you be sending to Kaduko, every little and for all the network, I will keep up there. We just see what to do.
I think those cells don't have to charge this man away. Two, you go, charge this one, you know, I don't have money. Maybe I don't sell to that man, charge this up to 9. Carrying on in the same way. Instead, I'm going to charge this, you know, charge this, like I charge this, you know, money can be people.
For me, I do a lot of online transactions. I think that's it. See, the excitement for me is that I get to save the law of Vodafone cash.
I'm so excited. I can now send money to all networks without any challenge. Me, you did me back. A brief year, set and Jim, do my program. See, can be cheers charges. And just so good. That's to say, dear. With the Vodafone cash.
Sending money on Vodafone cash to all networks is now free. Send any amount of money as many times as you like to all networks for free. Dial *110# now to send money.
This is the red news.
The future is exciting. Ready?
I'm
Close-up deep action with antibacterial mouthwash foam and deep cleaning gel. Close-up deep action. Enjoy long-lasting fresh breath.
Apostle, get. Vgma 21 in the building. I go by the name Kofi Boli, you already know. DJ.
What's wrong?
Are you having fun tonight? I try not to sugar, honey, I try not to ginger, hey, honey, I try not to sugar, honey, I try not to ginger, I try not to chocolate, I try not to pizza, what's it? My shaka, Every act of TV, I said I'm out of the everything. You get to me, your quality is so hard, not care. What am I about to I'm a man about what people. I'm be about what they. I care, I'm a sugar. Honey, I care, I'm a ginger. You got me. Vgma 21 in the building. Big shout out to everybody in the building right now. Apostle Gangsta is in the building. Icon.
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Apostle Gangster once again, man. Straight from, please give it up for him. He traveled from far, from America. So I think in Chicago, right?
Chicago, yeah. Chicago.
Let's give it up for Kofi Mole once again, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. Hip hop is alive with this new couple of musicians putting the spotlight on GH, the rest of the world, and of course Africa on the map. Come on, we're doing this. I want to say a big thanks to all of you for helping us, wrap up the show today in record time. I think this is the very first time that Vgma is closing under 2 hours. I think they deserve a round of applause. The organizers, everyone involved. And a big thank you to
Big thank you to our lead sponsor, Vodafone. Experience real 4G on Ghana's only gigabyte network. Media General, operators of TV3, Multi-Choice Ghana, of course, operators of DSTV, and KPMG, and all our donors.
That's right. Indeed, we promised you a festival. Vodafone Ghana Music Awards Festival. So this is the first phase of part 1. You want to join us for a bigger one tomorrow. I'm particularly very excited in some categories, man. I want to know who is the new artist of the year, the starting of the year.
That's right, Song of the Year.
Yeah.
Yes, what else do you want to know about tomorrow?
I'm really looking out there for the big one. Yes, this year we didn't have the artist of the year from last year, so I really want to know who takes the ultimate on the night. Who is it going to be? Oh, who is it going to be, the artist of the year? Oh, who is it going to be? You're allowed to throw your choice and ask. What? Oh, wow. Anyway, so we need to see. Tomorrow we want to be here again and experience all that. I want to say a big thanks to all of you for being a part of the show.
Now, we're not going to just end without another stellar performance. So coming on the stage,
yes,
we have
that. We have that coming right up.
That's right.
We want to present the final award for the evening. Right? Can we do that?
We can do that.
Right. So the very, very final award for the evening, we have the president.
We have the president of the Creative Arts Council, Mark Kumante, to present the Lifetime Achievement. Please put your hands together.
Round of applause for Mark.
George Ohimabadako, in 1951, George Darko is a pioneer and a legend in Ghana's music history. Having his basic education at the Presbyterian School in Akropong, George would later form the Golden School Band in the late 60s. Between 1970 to 1980, the band moved to Germany, where George went solo and formed another band called the Bastard. In 1982, in 1991, having returned to his native soil, George would be made to put the name of Akropong with his true name, Munanayao Ampemda. Known as the pioneer of Boga High Life, George released his first song in the early 80s titled Echo Tigrofo. And has since then changed the game with his unique sound, with 6 albums to his credit. George Darko's style of music has set the bar and continues to open doors for the younger generations to walk through with his songs like Odokala, Money Palava, Brim Brim Siwa, and a lot more. The winner of the Vodafone Ghana Music Awards 2020 is elated to honor the legendary George Darko, the Lifetime Achiever at the 21st Vodafone Ghana Music Awards.
Good evening. I'm happy to be here to do this because I come from a Propong Epiapem and Oyemitu Fuhine. It's Emede Sene, Ijina Hanye Beshe, Dana George, Anna Ampemda. That's a Simon. If you're here, could you walk up so you could do this for my uncle George Darko?
Oh, come on, round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Uncle Mr. Simon will do all this for us.
Yeah, I was just telling Mark, because I said, Mama, Mama, ladies and gentlemen, George is not able to be here today, but he says a big thank you to God and a big thank you to anyone who's made this possible. Thank you very much.
Right. A round of applause for Mark and a round of applause for Mr. Silas. And for the bigger one, for the legend, George. Let's do this. Go, please. Oh, come on. Don't get tired, don't get tired. And with that same round of applause, Sika will introduce our final performance for the evening.
That's right, Giovanni. We would like to introduce a very influential artist when it comes to the highlife genre here in Ghana. He has traveled worldwide to perform, to put Ghana and Ghana music on the map. And today, he's performing right here on the Vgma stage.
Yeah, and we're excited that he's going to honor our Lifetime Achievement Award recipients, George Dago. So please, ladies and gentlemen, you know him better. A very energetic man. He started as a footballer, by the way.
Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
And please, if you want to stand up and honor this man, I'll be super grateful to you for that. Please, let's give it up for
KK Fosu!
Yes, sir. bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. We are now done, ladies and gentlemen. KK standing by. We want to say a special thank you to you for coming out tonight. Now the good thing is that we have unlimited drinks on the foyer here. So please, Vodafone is making it possible for you to drink in moderation. Please step out and enjoy yourselves, alright? Please, all of us, let's do that and have fun still with KK and the Patch Bay Band. Come on!